Good morning, student. Yesterday I have given you some question for the homework. I am giving you the solution. Just match your solution with this my solution. If your answer is matched, it means you have done correctly. And if your answer is not matched, just make it correction. Okay. Now, I have given you this question as a homework. 9:45. You have to do the prime factors. Correct. So you can do the traditional method also. You can do with this method. Both are correct. There is nothing in difference. We are writing here 3 and we have to write here. This is the difference. Okay. Now, 9, 4, 5. We have to divide. From this, you can see here is 5 ending with the 5. It will not divisible with the 2. So, next number will be 3. So, try with the 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. So, it is going all. So, this is the answer. Again, after that 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. But 0 will be there because we are directly taking. So, we have to put 0. Then we have to write 15. After that, from 3 again 35. From 5 it becomes 7 times. From 7 it is 1 time. So my factor of this 945 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. So you can see 1 2 3. The 3 the power is 3 into 5 the power is 1 into 7 power is 1. This is your required answer. Okay. Now move to the next question solution. Just match your solution with this. 140 I have given you. Again the same way I have solved. Your answer is matching or not, just check. 2 the power of 2 into 5 into 7. Fifth question, 20570. Again the solution I have done. Just match your solution. Is it matching or not? 2 power 1, 5 power 1 into 11 power 2 or 17 power 1. Okay. This is the solution of this your question. Again and again I am not explaining, but I am giving you the solution. Just match it. Is it correct or not by yourself? Okay. I am giving you time to match it. Now come to the next question which I have given you as a homework. See, question number 2. Obtain the LCM and HCF of following pairs of integer and test the LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Correct? You have to test. This question I have solved. This is I am giving as I gave you as a homework. Now check your answer, is it match or not. Again, same process. First do the prime factors. I have done the prime factor same as both the prime factor I have done. After that I have converted its prime factor in the normal powers. That 2 power is 4 into 3's power 1 into 7's power 1. 2's power 1 into 3's power 3. As you know, HCF, highest common factor, the power should be lowest. Clear? Highest common factor in the sense there is 2. So this is your highest common factor. Same as 3 into 3, this is your highest common factor. After that you have to check the power, and for the HCF you have to check the power as the lowest. So just see, here is 2 the power is 4, here is 2 the power is 1. So which one I have to consider? 2's power 1 into here is 3 and here is 3. So this is my common factor. After check again the power, 3 the power 1, 3 the power 3. So which one I have to take? 3 the power 1. So 2 into 3 equals to 6. So my HCF is 6. Now come to the next LCM. LCM I have to take all the factors with the highest power. Okay. 2 the power 4, here 2 the power 1. So I have to take 2 the power 4 into 3 the power 3 and 3 the power 1. So which I have to take? 3 the power 3 into 7 is remaining. So I have to take 16 into 27 into 7. 16 2 the power 4 becomes 16. How? 2 into 4 time you have to multiply. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Into 3's cube is 27 into 7. You are getting by multiplication 3024. This is the solution of till the LCM and HCF. Now you have to verify. What you have to do? Your question is saying also. You have to verify. How to verify? HCF into LCM is equals to A into B. A into B, it means my numbers. Number in the sense 3, 6 and 54. Just do. 6 into 3024 you have to multiply is equals to 336 into 54. If your answer is matching, your answer is coming same, it means your LCM and HCF is correct and you have done the properly. Is it clear? Now this question I have given you as a homework. Just match your answer. I am giving you time. I think so. You have matched your answer. Now come to the next question which I have given you as a homework. You have match it. Is it correct or not by yourself? Okay. This third one. 90 and 144. Again I have done same process. I have to do the factorization, prime factorization I have done. After that I have written here 92 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 the power 1 into 3 the power 2 into 5 the power 1. 144. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3. 2 the power 4 into 3 the power 2. After that, HCF and LCM. 2 into 3 the power 2. Why? See here is 2 the power 1, here is 2 the power 4. So I have to take 2. And 3 the power 2 and 3 the power 2. So what I will take, both are same, so I have to take 3 the power 2. So 2 into 9, 18. After that, next highest I have to take power, highest power, it means 2 the power 4 into 3 the power 2 into 5 the power 1. So you are getting 720. Verification again same, HCF into LCM is equals to A into B. 18 into 720, 144 into 90. If your answer is coming same, it means you have done correctly all the process. Is it clear? Just match your answer with this solution. I am giving you time. And if it is correct by yourself, then very good, you are doing well. If your answer is not matched, just check where you have made the mistake and make the corrections. Or try to make again this question by yourself, so that if it will come in the exam, it will help you to do the solve properly. Okay, try it. Next, question number 3 I have given you. In that one question I have given you as a homework, just check. 12, 15, 21 I have given you. The question is saying obtain the HCF and LCM of the following integer by using the prime factorization method. Again the same prime factorization method. I have to find LCM and HCF. Very easy. Again I have done the prime factorization. After that I have to check, and again the same process what we have done in the earlier. As HCF always be a common factor and has a lowest power 3, 3, 3. So it is a common. So and 3 has a power of 1. So 3 is your HCF. LCM is the common as well as the number which is not common, but we will take the highest power. So 2 into 2, it means 2 to the power 4. I can write here. If you want, I can write, and you can write also. 2 to the power of 2, 3 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1, 3 to the power 1, 7 power 1. Correct? Now, that's it. You have to check 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 1. This is your LCM. Multiply, you are getting 420. So, this is the solution you have to do in this question. I have done this question in earlier classes. Now, that question I have given you as a homework. I have solved it. Just match your answer. If your answer is matching, it means you are going well. If your answer is not matched, just make the correction where you have made the mistake. Just search it and make a corrections. Okay, now come to the next continuation of this question only. Come to the question number 3 and just see how to solve these questions. Again, I am writing here questions. Just check 17, 23 and 29. Again the same question I have to solve. See, obtain the LCM and HCF by using the prime factorization method. So I am doing that one. Okay, now see how to solve this question. First do the prime factorization of 17, then do the 23, then do the 29. Okay, I am using a separate one to make it clear. Now see, 17 is a prime number. It will not go with any other number. So it will go by itself. 17 ones are 17. 23 again a prime number. It will not go with any number. So again 23 ones are 23. 29 is again a prime number. So again it will not go with any numbers. So 29 ones are. Now your factors. See here, 17 is 17 ones are. Correct. 23 is 23 ones are. And 29 is 29 ones are. Correct. It is the same way it will come because there is no common factor. Now just check. It is multiplying with 1. It is multiplying with the 1. Correct or not? So everywhere 1 is a common. So my HCF will be what? 1. Correct. And my LCM will be the what? Very easy. 17 into 23 into 29 into 1. Multiply. What you are getting? Can I leave on your? I have to do? Okay, I am writing the answer. Just match the answer by multiplication. 11339. Okay, this is the multiplication answer. Your answer should be matched with this. If your answer is not matching, just make it again multiplication. Okay, this is the solution of that question. Okay, now come to the question number 4. Again, the question number 4 is very easy to solve. Just see here. I am writing here. Again, 6 I have to factor. Then I have to factor 72. Then I have to factor 120. Correct? Now check. 6, 2, 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. After that, this I will go with the 2. 2 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 120, 2 2 6 are 12, 60, 2 3s are 60, 2 1s are 2, this carry 2 15s are. After that 15 will not go with the 2, so I can take the 3 or I can take the 5, whatever you want I can take. I can take the 3, more easy, because after 2 3 will be there. 3 5s are 15, then 5. Correct. So I have done the factors. Now check my LCM and HCF. First write this factors in a queue. Correct. 72's factor is 2 into 2. 1 2 3 2's and 2 3's. After that 120, 1 2 3 3 2's, 1 3 and 1 5. Now you can write the power way. How? Yes, 2 the power 1, 3 the power 1. 1 2 3 2 the power 3 into 3 the power 2. 1 2 3 2 the power 3 into 3 the power 1 into 5 the power 1. Now you have to find LCM and HCF. Very easy to way. HCF is what? Common, highest common factor with the lowest power. Just check 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. So lowest power is 2 the power 1. Okay. After that 3, 3 and 3. 3 the power 1. So 3 2s are 6 is my HCF. 6 is my HCF and my LCM is, just check. LCM will be highest 2 the power 3, 3 the power 2 into 5 the power 1. Multiply 2 the power 3 is 8, 2 the power 3 the power 2 is 9, 5 as it is. Multiply what you are getting, just check. 8 9s are how much? 72, 72 5s are 360. Your answer is 360. So this is the way you have to solve this question. Can I give you the homework? But I will not give the solution in the next video. You have to do yourself. What I can solve or you want as a homework. Okay, I am giving you only one question as a homework. Try it. If you are getting your answer correctly, very good. If you are not, then I will solve. Okay. This question I am giving you as a homework. Okay. I am solving this one. 40, 36 and 126. Again, same process. What is this process? First find the factors of 40, 36, 126. Correct. Just do with the 2. 2 2s are 420. 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 5 1s are. Next 36 again 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are. Again 2 2 6 are 12. Then what will come? 6 is there. 2 3s are 6. Correct. Or if you want to check your answer is correct, just multiply again. You will get the answer same. Then it's your correct. Okay. After that 3 is coming. So 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. 7 1s are 7. Is it clear? This is the way you have to do. After that you have to write this everything in the that factors way. So I am writing here 40 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Then 36 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. After that 126, 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Multiplying. Multiplying 2 into 2 into 2, 2 the power 3, 5 the power 1. 2 the power 2, 3 the power 2. 2 the power 1, 3 the power 2, 7 the power 1. Now you have to find LCM and HCF. I think you know how to find the answer of LCM and HCF. HCF is your highest common factor with the lowest power. Just see 2 and 2 on it is coming in the all way. So 2 will be there, but power you have to check with the lowest. Here is 2 the power 1 into. Here is 3, here is 3, but here is not. So it will not considerable. Here is 5, but here is not. So only 2. So 2 1s are 2. So HCF is your 2. Now come to the next LCM. LCM is you have to take all the numbers with the highest power. So 2 the power 3 you have to take, then 3 the power 2, then 7 power 1, then 5 power 1. 2 cube is 8, 3 square is 9, 7 into 5. Multiply. Multiply you have to do 8 into 9, how much? 72. 72 into 7, how much? 504. 504 into 5, how much? 2520. 2520. This is your required answer. This question I am giving you as a homework. Try. If you are not getting, I will give you the solution, but try first by yourself. And I think it's very easy to find. You can find it. I have a belief on you. Okay. Now come to the next question of this same exercise. Exercise is your, I think so you know 2.2 is going on. Now come to the question number 4. Question 4 is saying, there is a circular path around a sports field. Raman takes 18 minutes to drive one round of field, one round of field, while Anupriya takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at a starting point? So you have to find the exactly, there is two person. There is one is your Raman and second one is Anupriya. And Raman is taking the time to complete the field is 18 minutes and Anupriya is taking 12 minutes. So you have to find that if both are going in the same direction, at what time they will meet again. It means at the same point, at a starting point, what time will be there. So you know LCM is what else you have to find here, LCM. Ultimately what you have to find, LCM, because you have to go till the starting point. It means you have to take the highest common, correct? So that's why you have to take the LCM. So I have solved the question. Just see how. Time taken by Raman to complete one round of field is in how much? 18 minutes given in the question. You can write here what? Given. After that, time taken by Anupriya to complete one round of field, that is 12 minutes, correct? Now, they will meet again at the starting point. You have to take what? LCM, 18 and 12. I think you know how to find the prime factors. I have done here 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Correct? I have factors it. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Is it clear? This is the factor I have done. 2's power 1 into 3's power 2. 2's power 2 into 3's power 1. Is it clear? LCM. LCM is what? Highest common with the highest power. So 2 power 2 into 3's power 2. So 4 into 9 equals to 36. Hence, Raman and Anupriya will be meet after 36 minutes at a starting point. So at a starting point, after 36 minutes, they will meet each other. Is it clear? Because they are going in the same direction. After that, they have to come back. That's why they have to be take the LCM. Okay. Now come to the next. One last question of this exercise is 5th question. Then we will move to next exercise with the next video. But last question of this. If you want this question as a homework, I will give you. Then I will give you the solution in next video. Whatever you want. In a seminar, number of participants in Hindi, English and Mathematics. So there is a seminar. Number of participants in Hindi, English and Mathematics are 60, 84, 108. It means for Hindi 60, for English 84, for Mathematics 108 respectively. It is given. Correct? If equal number of participants are same subjects are sitting in each room, it means there is rooms are allotted and equal number of persons are sitting. In the sense, if there is a one room, in that one room 3 students belongs to Hindi, so same 3 students will belongs to the Mathematics and English. Okay, then find the least number of rooms required. It means the least number of, it means the minimum number of rooms are required if we will do the allocation basis of the student on the basis of equal part. Okay, so you have to find. Now tell me, if I will find LCM, I will get the highest number of rooms, correct? I have to find least in the sense the very low number of one. So I have to take the word HCF. What I have to find here? HCF. Okay, now I have done the solution. Just check. Number of participants in each room must be HCF of 60, 84 and 108. Obvious, because I have to take minimum numbers of students. So I have to take 60, 84 and 108. So factors I have done. 2's power 2 into 3 into 5. 2's power 2 into 3 into 7. 2's power 2 into 3 into 3's power. Correct? I have written here. I have done directly, and because I don't think so you require again, but I am giving you one example for 60. 60 I have taken 2, 2 3s are, 2 15s are, 3 5s are. You are getting 2, 2, so 2's power 2, 3 into 5. So you have to do that way. Okay, I am again and again, I am not solving because now it's very easy. You have done so many times. Okay, now come to the HCF part. HCF is what? We have to take highest common factor with the lowest power. So 2, 2 and 2 coming in the all three. So 2 has a 2, 2 has a 2 and 2 has a 2. So there is a same power. So I have to take 2's power 2 into 3 here is 3 here is 3 is here is. But lowest power is 3's power 1. So 3's power 1 I have taken. 5 and 7 are not continuing in the all 2 and all 3. That's why this 5 and 3 will not considerable in the HCF. But in LCM it is considerable. Okay. So 2's power 2, 4, 3. It means 12. How many rooms? In each room 12 participants can be seated. In each room, how many students can be seated? 12. Okay. Now, I want number of rooms. I have required the number of rooms. Correct. So, number of rooms required is equals to total number of participants. Total number of participants in the sense I have to add 60, 84 and 108. Upon, in one room, how much student I can allot? 12. So, I will divide. I will get a number of rooms required. So, how much number of rooms I require? 21. So, hence, required number of rooms is 21. This is the way you have to do the solution. This is the last question of your last the 2.2 exercise. Now in the next video you will get the theory part about the next exercise. Then I will start the next exercise also together. Thank you.